I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change where screenshots are stored on macOS. Step 1. Press the Command, Shift, and 5 buttons on your Mac keyboard. The screenshot toolbar opens. Step 2. Click Options. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Other Location. Step 4. Navigate to where the folder you want to save screenshots on your macOS is located, and then click to select that folder. In this example, I've created a folder called Screenshots, and I'll save my screen captures there. Click Choose after selecting this folder. Your macOS screenshots will be saved at this location going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.